So in many reactions, organic reactions, in which the actual yield is always less than the theoretical yield, because of many side products are formed there, or other reasons of like impurities are present in the reactions. The actual yield may be less than the theoretical yield due to the following reasons. Side reactions may produce byproducts. Some reactions are reversible, and mechanical loss due to filtration, distillation, and separation by separating funnel, watching crystallization. Actually, according to these processes or due to these reasons, the actual yield is always less than theoretical yield in many organic reactions. Now going towards the example 1.9, which is about the calculations of actual yield, theoretical yield, and percent yield. In an industry, copper metal was prepared by the following reaction. When zinc is reacted with copper sulfide solution, then zinc sulfide is formed and copper metal is produced in this reaction. So if 1.274 gram copper sulfide when reacted with excess of zinc metal, a yield of 0.392 gram of copper metal is obtained. Now the theoretical yield of copper is already given, mass of copper sulfide which is given, or the theoretical yield is also given. Now we have to calculate what? Now we convert the number of grams of copper sulfide into number of moles. First, according to Bennett's chemical equation, we have to calculate the molecular mass of copper sulfide. Actually, it's 159.5 gram per mole. 1 mole contains 159.5 gram of copper sulfide. Then if 1.274 gram of copper sulfide is present, then it's going to be 1 divided by 159.5 multiplied by 1.274. Then we get the 7.9821 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 moles. And then according to Bennett's chemical equation, 1 mole of copper sulfide will give 1 mole of copper. Then if 7.98 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 moles of copper sulfide is formed, then it will also give 7.982 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 moles of copper. Now 1 mole of copper contains 63.5 gram of mass. So we multiply 63.5 with 7.982 to get the mass of copper. Hence theoretical yield, the theoretical yield is calculated by using the Bennett's chemical equation, or moles which are present in the Bennett's chemical equation. The actual yield is already given, which is 0.392 gram, or the theoretical yield is calculated from above chemical equation, which is 0.5072 gram. So percent yield is easily calculated, which is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. Actual yield is 0.392 and theoretical yield is 0.5072 multiplied by 100. It's going to be 77.3%. So percent yield is 77.3. It means that the above product like copper is 77.3% pure. In a reaction, 2 moles of methane were reacted with excess of chlorine. As a result, 177 gram of copper chloride carbon tetrachloride is obtained. What is the theoretical yield, actual yield, and percent yield? In this reaction, 2 moles of methane are going to react and form excess of is going to react with excess of chlorine and form what? Carbon tetrachloride. First we have to write the chemical equation, then we have to calculate the theoretical yield, actual yield, and the percent yield respectively. Theoretical yield we can easily calculate from the above Bennett's chemical equation. If 2 moles of methane were, we would expect to be obtained 2 moles of carbon tetrachloride, because 1 mole of methane gives 1 mole of carbon tetrachloride. If we are taking 2 moles of methane, then it will definitely give 2 moles of carbon tetrachloride. So mass of carbon tetrachloride is equal to a number of moles multiplied by molar mass. It's going to be 308 gram. Actual yield, which is equal to 177.0 gram of copper chloride. It's already given in the above question. So we can easily find the percent yield, which is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. Actual yield is 177 and the theoretical yield is 308 gram multiplied by 100. Then we would the percent yield would be 57.46 gram. It means the carbon tetrachloride which is obtained in the above chemical reaction is 57.46% pure. Now the self-check exercise 1.5 is the same as it is like we did the two examples regarding theoretical yield, actual yield and percent yield. So you can do it by yourself and then check the answers which are given here in A, B or A, B. Two parts are there in each question, so you can do it and check it whether you have got the topic or not. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.